Hey Kieran,
Hey, Rudy.
how are you?
Very good, thank you.
What are you working on today?
So I'm actually on call right now, and we had a report come through from a customer saying that they have an integration that they've connected already, and they're not seeing it in their apps page. And I'm just trying to figure out why that is happening right now.
Is Dash AI helping you figure this out?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are a couple of events that we're meant to emit when the customer connects an app. A couple of log statements are meant to print out. Asking Dash AI where that is happening and where I can actually view that on the other side once it's already been emitted has been really useful and helped me save a bunch of time.
And what would that process have looked like at other jobs where you didn't have something like Dash AI?
Yeah, pretty much every on-call issue would start off with trying to find a run book. You really hope that someone has explicitly told you what to do in that situation. If not, I'd fall back to Wikidocs. If someone's written about a similar topic, you hope for that as well. Usually what ends up happening is you're stepping through functions in the code base, trying to figure out, okay, where does this line lead to? How could that happen? And then the last resort is usually going onto Slack, searching keywords, trying to find people who have run into a similar issue. But that is a bit of a Hail Mary at that point.
Sounds like a very laborious process.
I think there's been multiple times when I'm on call where it's been on the order of hours that it's saved me, with a single question as well.
That's amazing. What are some other use cases where Dash AI helps you in your day-to-day job?
Yeah, so I was recently implementing a new feature where I had to construct a component and make it available inside of our main chat flow. And there's like 5 different ways that you could do this. You could do it via dependency injection. You could set it up inside the function itself. You could do it class-based, function-based. There's loads of ways of tackling this. But usually you want to try and be consistent with what your colleagues have already done and keep a consistent code base. Starting off with Dash AI and just asking, how has someone else already constructed the component in Python, let's say? It will pull back all the different sources from GitHub and Slack and wikis, and it saves me from having to crack through the code base myself and find that stuff.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing your day with us.
You're very welcome.